So how my blessed babies doing? Hope all is well. Even if it's not, all is well. I'd like to welcome. That's good. All the new people that's to my channel. It's a word of encouragement channel. Sunday, I mostly do the word of encouragement, but I'm trying to change it up to more word of encouragement. Each day you're going to hear something. And then I have like small little mukbangs. Not really a mukbang. It's just like a bring some food to the table so we can bake bread together. This is so good. Yeah, I know it's hard to leave them carbs alone. That is so good. I see that, girl. They little. They showing up good. I got some scallions in there. I ain't want to just put some onion. Take a bite. That was so good. Listen. I don't tell so many times. Y'all know when it's good. Y'all gonna keep saying And they little tiny shrimp. Only thing I did with this little sauce, I did a little different. I cooked the little shrimps down. There was a whole bag of them, but they the small one. And took mostly all the water out. I put a little crab seasoning in it. And I put a Badea complete seasoning in it. And a little ginger. And sassoon. And real butter. And that's it. And it tastes really good. I put a little of this on the side just to, give it a little spice. Some rancho. Ooh. You see it with the sriracha on it? I might get me some crab leg. The little snow ones that I like. Eat them by themselves. Just get a little box of them. I'm getting one. Or a pack of them. They like 23. They nice size and everything. They're affordable. I get something like that. I think I put out 2 videos yesterday. So good. Really good. It's easier for me to eat it like this than dip it down in all that sauce. I just pour it all on at the same time. Mm. This is scrumptious, y'all. Mm. Mm-mm. So I hope everybody having a beautiful day on this one. No, today is Tuesday. Yeah. Mm. And it's Tuesday. I know I am. I know I am. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm. I like this kind of fish. I like pollock fish. I like bluegills fish. I like strawberry bass. I like ocean perch. Uh, I like mostly all fish that's inside of it is white. That kind of fish tastes good to me. This is so good. You see all that seasoning on there? Mm-hmm. Sometimes, you can over-season your food. You put too much. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. So if you woke up this morning, you ought to be saying hallelujah. That you're still in the land of the living. Mm. I love this stuff. About gone. Love it. Mm. That's some good eating, y'all. I'm telling y'all. And look at this. Still got a whole bunch more to go. Mm. 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 Dip it in some more of that sriracha. Mm. Mm. I ain't bring no water down with me today, so I'm not going to keep jumping up. So what are you guys having for dinner tonight? I have an idea. We'll get you some shrimp. Make it like this. And a good side with this. I would have to go with coleslaw. Some type of macaroni salad. Potato salad. Um, Spinach. But I wanted to just keep it simple. Simple as possible. I want to get this weight off of me. I don't want to just keep talking about it. I want to get it off. A shout out to you, Cherry Weight Loss Journey. I got to get on the treadmill like you. I think that's really good how she do it too, because people are going to be looking for her to do it. And so it's like you're forced to do it because people looking for you to do a mukbang. So that's good. Thumbs up to you. Mm-hmm. This is good. I wish I could share with y'all. Don't be scared to take a bite. Mm. Mm. I love chives and everything. Mm. 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 Yum, yum, yum. Mm. 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 Now, if this part was fried, this little part in the back, I like to eat it. I like the taste of it. Mm. 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 Some potatoes would have been good with this too. Corns and potatoes. Yeah, how they do the seafood boil. The corn definitely, and the potato, the little red one. But the shrimps I be telling you I normally get, they like $5.99. Sometimes you get them for $4.99, $6.99. They different sizes. But the one for $5.99 is a big, large size. But these little ones, like I said, they were supposed to go in my seafood salad for Easter, but I ended up just leaving them out because they had enough seafood in it. And I said, I'll come share this with you guys. Mm-hmm. Mm. So I hope everybody meeting their goals and happy. Mm. I am. But in between time, I'm trying to get this other part-time job. Mm. 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 Comment below, do you like shrimp like this, like shrimp scampi? Or do you like shrimp, fried shrimps the best?